She's here. Hello. Thank you. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Williams and the channel name is I am Williams. Yes, I'm Williams. So this is a Thai market and it is already 6 p.m. I'm in Thailand, that is Bangkok, and here you have I've bought some cooking oil. Actually, I'm taking this cooking oil to a certain lady. This lady is such an amazing woman. She's a street food vendor. Yeah, if you know Thailand, most people here are doing street food. So this lady is a street food vendor. And the reason as why I'm taking this cooking oil to her is that she's a hardworking single mom. And actually I've been doing this like at the end of the month. Yeah, at the end of the month I always do this, but I usually don't record. So today I decided to record this video because she's really kind, and one of my YouTube channels, I film with her. Like I go take some short videos, sometimes long form videos. So today I decided to record. Yeah, that's why actually I decided to record, and let's see how it will go. Yeah, so I'm going to walk from here to the streets where she works from. She's here. Hello. So guys, you see, this is the lady that I've been talking about. She's a street vendor, you know. Yeah, she cooks street food. These are shrimps, right? And these are eggs. This is I don't know what is the name of this food, but it's seafood. Yeah. So let me first show you the skills. She got nice skills. Look at her. Chuala. What is your name? Pumpui. Pumpui. Ni Pumpui. How are you? How is your day?
bữa nó sẽ cùng cầu không phải cái này thật đấy đúng không anh không nhớ để té nhá không nóng vậy nó lông YouTube đi có bao nhiêu phần sòng ra đi là có bao sòng YouTube ra đi là YouTube này họ đưa này trong YouTube à
YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber, content creator. Okay? So guys, what do you think about her cooking style? What do you think? Yeah? What do you think? Comment below. So for some of you who have been following actually my YouTube channel, I guess you've seen this lady. You've seen this beautiful mama, hardworking lady. So I always love to give support, but not on camera. Yeah, but maybe once in a while too. Yeah, we need to support such people by giving them audience and shine.
เดี๋ยวมันกินจะขวดแล้วตอนไอ้วันก็ไปกินน้ำหอม2 ขวดแล้วตอนเมื่อไหร่อ่ะเดินแล้วต้องซื้อเบียร์ให้กินด้วยนะซื้อเบียร์มาให้ด้วยนะหมดแล้วเนี่ย
You want to drink beer?
เบียร์มีร้าน
For you? Okay, one. No.
อันนี้
I stand.
โอเคได้
ใช่
คือว่าร้านส่งร้านก่อน
Yes.
กระดาษด้วย
อันนี้ทานนี่อยู่กับบ้านทำบ้านอันนี้กลับบ้านจะปั่น
สดสองมาเท่เลย130
อ่ะ
180
180ครับ นี่อันนี้เหรอ
ไม่ใส่ผักกินให้กลับบ้าน นี่ค่ะ
Guys, what's up? We are coming to the end of this video. Kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell. Kindly support this channel, okay? Leave a comment. What do you think about such street food in Thailand?